Let's talk about Biden's new family unity plan for those who entered into the country without inspection, and how they can get a green card through this process. Before we talk about how to prepare to file this application when it becomes available, I want to go over the requirements, especially the admission requirements. The first requirement, of course, is that you should have been in the United States for the last 10 years, and you should have been in a legal, valid marriage as of June 17th, 2024. The biggest source of confusion are for people who don't understand whether or not they entered with admission or with parole. So entering with admission or parole means that you went through some sort of immigration, customs, and border that allowed you into the United States, whether that's by air, through the airport, by land, through a border, or by sea, through customs and border. As long as you entered in those ways, you are not eligible for this new rule. You are only eligible for this new law if you crossed the border without any kind of U.S. Customs and Border inspecting you. So there is no record of how you entered into the United States. This is really important and will save a lot of people from headaches. And some people have asked, well, why? The reason why is because if you entered with inspection, there already is a process for you to get your green card without leaving the country. For those who entered without inspection, there's not a process for a simple marriage-based case for you to get your green card, which is why this rule is available. So now let's talk about how can you document that you've been in this country. You want to show that you've been in this country continuously for the last 10 years. Some of the things that you can do to prepare right now is to start doing a track record of every year that you've been in this country and start taking stock. Whether you were a student or you were in school, elementary school, high school, whatnot. If you have school records, if you have hospital records, if you have church records, if you have mosque records, records of maybe you in your place of worship or place of religion, you volunteered somewhere. You have certain family members who can write an affidavit confirming your entry, medical records, bills, health insurance, life insurance, cars, car notes, cell phone bills. These are some examples of certain types of things that you want to start gathering. It's a good idea to try to gather those things, at least a few things from each year, to show that you have been in the country for the last 10 years. And then you also want to ensure that, of course, you don't have any disqualifying criminal records that stop you from being eligible for this new law. As of today, there is no application yet to submit this petition. It is forthcoming in the later part of the summer, according to what USCIS has let us know. But it is always a good idea to prepare for this application so that you're ready to submit this application immediately this application becomes available. Because as far as we know, we don't know how long this is going to last. It depends on who is ruling the United States in the next administration, but try to gather all your documents to make sure that you have everything ready once USCIS gives the go. If you have any questions or need assistance with this process or any other immigration matter, please give us a call, 407-995-6567. Thanks. Bye.